Shalom and blessings. Here are some events to look forward to during the Feast of Tabernacles 2023. For those who have a desire to learn and build Israel, building and training classes will be available. Dates, locations, and times to be announced. Do you have a desire to improve your defense and security skills? There'll be classes for those who do. Dates, locations, and times to be announced. Be sure to attend Michael Israel's class this Tabernacles. There will be teachings on diet, health, and wellness, along with testimonies from the brothers and sisters. Be on the lookout. Household Herbs will be offering wellness consultation this year. Date, location, and time to be announced. Straitway Marketplace and Children's Marketplace. Saints and Hears will be set up selling an array of products. Internet access is limited, so make sure to bring cash for purchases. Date, location, and times to be announced. Whether you are donating or shopping, come visit us at Judah's Closet this year. Gather up your donation and bring them to the feast with you. Please make sure that all items are clean and acceptable for your brothers and sisters. We are in need of clothes racks this year. We're also accepting bags for saints to take items home. Judah's Closet will be open starting October the 1st to October the 6th, after breakfast till sundown. Location is to be announced at orientation. If you miss orientation, it will be updated on Straitway Network website. We look forward to praising Yah with you at Midnight Air. It will be held at the pavilion with music and food booths. Make sure to bring cash donation for each food booth you visit. Date and times to be announced. Come join us for reproductive awareness and wellness class. Date, location, and time to be announced. Don't forget about Straight Rock Jamboree. 3 days of activities for boys and girls ages 2 to 16. A parent or guardian must be present for ages 2 to 5. Dress comfortably and bring a water bottle. Chip offerings are accepted. Please contact Sister Ijolie via Marco Polo. Within Straight Rock Jamboree, there will also be building a sukkah for the boys, Straight Rock karaoke for boys and girls, and the Daughters of Zion Tea Party. For the Daughters of Zion Tea Party, dresses and garment attire is requested but not required. Dates, location, and times to be announced. Ready, set, go! Who's excited for this year's Hot Wheels tournament? Date, location, and time to be announced. Also, Saints, we still have not met the needs of To Be a Blessing list this year. All items are still needed. Please call the dining hall so that we know what is being provided as soon as possible. We look forward to seeing you soon, Saints!